That bat thingy won't turn, Richard.
It's just fucking sitting down here sparking.
Yep. Oh, fuck.
What are you videotaping?
Yeah.
I'll have to fucking do this shit tomorrow because she's wanting them. Go to them dinner. I guarantee you, when she gets here, she'll, all right, you ready to go?